Welcome back, viewers. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a hinge on your cabinet door. This cabinet door is old, built with the house. It slams. We've replaced this one already. It's nice, it's quiet, you can't slam it. It's really nice. The first thing you need is a Phillips screwdriver or a drill. And I'll show you how. Okay, so I'm going to take the top hinge off first. Whoa! Okay. Hold the cabinet door with your right hand or left, whatever. And then we're going to get the second bottom screw off here. It's hard to see. Oopsie. Because it wants to slip down immediately. Get in there. Okay. Then we're going to take it off and get ready to install your hinges. Okay. So now that I have my cabinet door down, I'm going to take the hinges off, and they're the same Phillips. So we're going to take these off. Oops. Ah! Went the wrong way. Foobarred it. Okay, so take those out. Okay, so now we have it and ready to install our new hinges. Okay, so I got these soft close hinges at my local home store, and you just have to get what you want, the color and your size. You have to figure that from your cabinets. I got the ones that match mine. So we're going to go ahead and install these. Okay, so I ran into a little problem, which, you know, DIY, you always run into some type of problem. I couldn't get the exact matching hinges because these cabinets are older. I think this house was in the 2000s maybe. I don't know, but see, these fit perfectly. Well, when I put my new ones in, they don't fit into the hole. So we're going to have to modify this and make them flush. But I'm going to show you how we can modify them. So we're going to make another hole basically and modify these to work. Okay, so you want to make sure it's lined up. I'm going to put the screw in there. Oops. And screw down the screws. Excuse me. And then we were able to make that hinge work even though those holes didn't fit. We were able to just move them up and align it and make it fit, and it'll work. And I'll do the next one, and then we'll get ready to put the cabinet on. Okay, so we've completed our installation of our hinges, our soft closing hinges. And if you need, like, when you look at them like this, they need to be the same. And, you know, just eye it to make sure they're level, like you're doing a picture or something. And so this screw here, if it needs to come outwards, you can unscrew each one of these and move your cabinet this way and then tighten this screw here. The screw that goes into the cabinet will adjust your cabinet up and down. So if you need to raise your cabinet up or down, do this screw that goes into the wood. If you need to go out and in, do the screw that is in the actual hinge. So now we have a nice closing cabinet that doesn't make me come unhinged. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like, thumbs up. Thanks for watching.